License Casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
O meu jogo, então se cair, se ficar em terra, eu sempre preparado, se cair no chão, eu vou pegar, então eu sempre buscando acabar a luta.
Não vai quebrar nada, não. Respira fundo.
Acredito que o wrestling, né? Porque ele é um cara que ele vem do wrestling, né? Então
Vai virar pro outro lado.
esse antijogo aí.
Ia ser do cinturão do UFC, me manter, fazer várias defesas, né?
Vai sair o Tominhas falando no vídeo. Tominhas dando entrevista no vídeo.
Mas poder ganhar, trazer vitórias, defender o cinturão por muitos anos e poder mostrar para o mundo aí que já estou no mundo. Cara, uma das pessoas é o mais fácil que eu conheci nas horas.
Ótimo.
Trocou uma ideia, foi legal pra caramba.
Tá bom. Relaxa.
E tem um outro.
Respira fundo para não soltar. Ótimo, perfeito. Muito bom.
Você ficou show?
Eu vou dar um impulso, eu vou ajustar, tá? A forma de respirar é a mesma, tá?
Valeu.
Respira fundo. Solta lá, solta. Ótimo.
Sim, não, eu tive um problema que ele tá podendo levar o meu nome da minha equipe pro lugar mais alto.
Muito bom. Tranquilo?
Lumbosacral spine region. So we're going to put this under Emily's occiput and under her mandible. Just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. We should put a decibel meter on that one. That probably would have went up to 80. So you notice I'm starting off on her right sacroiliac joint today. I think last time I just... That's posterior to anterior for all you perverts out there. There we go. There we go. Those will be trolls. They're just sitting in their mom's basement all day, I guess, and watch YouTube videos. Let's turn you on your from bending over, adjusting you guys all day. Yep. Good. Okay, now let's put your arms out like this, straight out to the sides. Relax your leg in my hand. Put your hands on your tummy. Nope, one more here. That's it. Feel that? Did you get adjusted out in California?
No. That's why I came here.
There you go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, crack eggs definitely love you. Let's go on the other back. There you go. There we go. Okay, I'm going to adjust your feet. There was your lateral tarsals. This little piggy went to market. Okay, let me adjust your hands right down there. Okay, now I want you to let gravity kind of just let your spine sink in here. Kind of spread your knees apart a little. There you go. Good. Now just relax this, let me in there. One more here. That's it. Okay, good. Let's take the wrap over.
Good. That moved really well. And then we're going to be coming down to the T2 on that right. Perfect. Got very back over to the right. Okay, uncross your legs. Now I'm gonna have you bend that right knee for me. Yep. Clear out. So I'm gonna have you give yourself a big hug. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Perfect. You can relax your arms. There we go. 3 times a week right away, I want to gradually get him towards a maintenance type care plan. So I'm literally just coming through and I'm following, the spine. I like to start on the right side, literally just following the spine all the way down.
To the side, please. Bend both knees for me. And we're going to go ahead and do a quad test. Push up. Ooh, the whole pelvis comes up. Keep the pelvis down. And there it goes. Weak. We're going to go into the VMO, vastus medialis obliquus. I know the tendency is to tighten, push up, push, push, push. Noticeably stronger. Tell me to stop if it's too much. Just breathe. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Hips relaxed. Breathe in and out. Stop breathing. Breathe and relax. Put in my face up, Cal. Relax this foot. Wow. Those feet have taken a beating over the years too, huh? Okay. And out. Beautiful. One more. Hold your breath. And out. Hips relaxed. And your right side facing us. Drop the hips this way. All the way over, all the way, all the way. Beautiful. Just open that up gently. That was the sacrum coming over this way. Hips relaxed. Get you all in line. Breathe in and out. Drop your hips a little more. Drop, drop. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're gonna leave it there.
Okay.
I want you to ice the areas I worked on.
Okay.
And in and out here. And one more here. Good. Okay, let's go on your back, lay face up.
Yeah.
Go ahead and breathe in and out. Good. Go flat on your back. And what's happening there? Go ahead and breathe in and out here. Good. Good. It's just gas leaving joints.
On stage.
Back and forth like this.
Our favorite one.
Your favorite one. And let it go heavy. Good. Go ahead and reset. And relax one more. So that's just a hip adjustment for him. Good. 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 And one more way high. Relax it. Good. We'll get out of here. Go. It's been a real pleasure treating Dakota this week. And Allie's along for support. Boy, oh boy, doesn't get any better than that, Jesus. A lot of people wonder, with cases like your own, and herniated disc, and scoliosis, whether it's worth the money and the trip to actually come here to Houston. Slide down this way a little. There you go. Another big thing is I've been getting his head up. There we go. I call this one my Jesus adjustment because I'm adjusting the shoulders bilaterally, the sternoclavicular joints bilaterally. Now, when Dakota first came in, he had a huge protrusion. He's going to be spoiled. There we go. Good. Okay, let's sit you up and face that away. Yes, sir. That's it. Crack Ag's gonna love you. There we go. Yes, sir. That all gives you a sense of relief, doesn't it?